Welcome back to Navigating Love, the podcast that's here to empower you with the knowledge and tools to make wiser choices in matters of the heart. I remain Andre, your relationship, marriage, and family counselor. Now, today we'll be diving into a crucial topic that sets the stage for healthier relationships, defining your values and establishing boundaries. But today we'll be talking majorly about defining your values. The beginning of any new romantic relationship is a special time. The first few dates can be exhilarating, filled with nervous laughter and small discoveries. It's easy to become immersed in passion and excitement and even overlook your compatibility. But relationships are complex. As exciting as the first flames of new love feel, the infatuation and excitement of a new partnership will eventually give way to familiarity. At this point, even the most passionate relationship needs something to sustain it beyond mutual affection and common interests. That's when the shared values in your relationship can see you through. Once you move beyond the initial courtship, shared core values form the foundation of compatibility of any relationship that needs to grow and thrive. But despite their significance, potential partners often find it challenging to have a productive conversation about their moral guideposts in the early stages of a connection. Why? That's still yet to be understood. While understanding one another's values is necessary for a healthy relationship, exploring them doesn't have to be a nerve-wracking conversation. Start by learning about what matters to you. From there, you're ready to have a dialogue that guides you towards the future as friends or romantic partners. Now, the core values are actually a lot, but we're going to be talking about five of them. First would be communication, yet again, spirituality, forgiveness, loyalty, and trust. These are the five core values I'll be dealing with on today's topic. Now, communication. Well, communication, as we know, is one of the top reasons for breakups or divorce. To thrive, partners must clearly express their feelings and needs and have the skill to actively listen, not just to listen, but to understand each other. Doing so creates communication channels that allows partners to have productive conversations and resolve any issue in any relationship without harmful arguments. Spirituality. For many people, external belief system is an important part of their lives. Sharing common spiritual or religious values, regardless of your individual faith, helps provide your relationship with guiding principles that simplify decisions surrounding finances, parenting, and a lot more. For me, my spirituality is Christianity, so that for me guides me. Loyalty. Knowing your partner has your back and that you face problems together can help reduce the mental energy necessary to cope with a crisis. You can lean on your partner and share in their strength to find a solution. So loyalty is as important. Forgiveness. Mistakes happen. You are human. No one is perfect. But allowing your partner to grow from a one-time error without resentment or recrimination enables your relationship to survive lapses in judgment and move forward. Trust. Trust informs how secure you feel within your relationship. A trustworthy partner leaves no doubt that they have your best interest at heart, and your need for physical and mental safety will be honored. So yeah, those five, it's not like we don't have a lot more that are pretty important. Yes, we do, but for me, these five core values are key. Remember that defining your values isn't about building walls. It's about creating a healthy space where love can flourish and respect can thrive. Until next time, remember that understanding your values isn't just about finding the right partner, it's about becoming the right partner for yourself. I remain Andre, your relationship, marriage, and family counselor. I'll see you guys on the next episode.